Come with me as we take a look at my app called Planted Word. It's not quite available yet in the Android App Store, still in the testing phase. But let's take a look at a verse here and look at the grow and learn feature. So we'll start with the learn feature where it will essentially populate the verse text and then replace randomly different words with underscores. So it's essentially a fill in the blank type of learning methodology. Um, Now, notice how most of the words here are replaced with underscores. It's because that this verse I've recited at least 5 times correctly by now. And so, in theory, I should have pretty much this verse memorized. If you were to take a look at the learn feature for maybe a new plant or newly learned verse, you would actually see less underscores or at least more words not filled in. So, kind of as you progress, the idea is, you've learned it and you don't really maybe even need to use the learn feature. But I'm kind of showing you how it works here. So we're just going to go ahead and keep filling in those underscores with the associated words. So one thing that's cool about this app is that the data is actually not stored locally on your device, but it's actually saved to the cloud. Um, Hosted by Google. So you can actually access your app, the data from your app at any device. So if you have multiple devices with the app installed, right, you could actually see and access the data. So one cool feature there that's been included. Also, another interesting thing is I have included a shortcut to the Bible app hosted by YouVersion. So if you have a Bible app, that's awesome. I use a YouVersion, and I think it's a great Bible app with devotionals and, of course, the Bible. So anyway, so it looks like we just finished up that. Now, notice how the plant has not grown. It's because we're just learning it, right? Kind of helping commit it to memory. So we still see that there are 2 water droplets out of 5. Once it gets to 5 in this case, right, it'll grow into the next plant. So now we're going to take a look at the grow feature where we're going to have to reproduce the text from memory. And if I get this correct, we'll see it water droplet increase, but we'll type that out here and let that go. Also, I want to give a shout out to AO Lab. They are the ones that provide the API for the Bible that's being used. They provide different translations in different languages and the text. So when you select a seed, you're actually going through AO Lab from helloao.org to get the Bible verse. So thank you guys for providing that as a free service. So there you go. You can see I got that correct, and the water droplet has increased to 3 out of 5. So 2 more before it becomes, in this case, a tree, the next stage. So that's my app called Planted Word. Once again, it's not yet in the Android App Store. Hopefully soon, still in the testing phase. So if you'd like to become a tester, please email me. I'll put my email in the description, and I'll add you for testing program. Thank you for your time.